Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will be checking out how to install the Lure project repository on your Linux distribution. So this is the GitHub page of the Lure project. You can see it here, https://github.com arsen6331 Lure. So these are the typical GitHub page for a project. You have to just scroll down. The instructions are given at the bottom. So Lure is a distro-agnostic build system for Linux, similar to AUR. It is currently in beta. So in that IT Force web page, it was in alpha because it is an older web page, and it is not updated since then. And in on the Lure project GitHub page, it is shown the project is currently in beta. Most of the major bugs have been fixed and most major features have been added. Lure is ready for general use but still may break or change occasionally. So there is a warning for the users. Lure is written in pure Go and has zero dependencies after building. The only things Lure requires are commands for privilege elevation such as sudo do's as well as a supported package manager. So the Lure installation of package from Lure will require privilege elevation commands such as sudo or do's as well as a supported package manager. Only the popular Linux package managers are supported currently. Not all the Linux package managers are supported. Only the major ones, popular ones, package managers from popular Linux distributions are only supported right now, but the support will definitely grow if the end users support the project. Currently, Lure supports apt, pacman, apk, dnf, yum, and the zyper. If a supported package manager exists on your system, it will be detected and used automatically. So the Lure project or the Lure repository will directly detect your package manager automatically and start using it. To install the Lure repository on your system, you will have to use this bash command. So what I will do is I will just copy the bash command. It is very easy. Now you have to go to your system or open your system, input your password. I installed this virtual machine for showing you how to install the system. Now you have to add this in your favorite. Okay, so now you have to paste the. Okay, so pasting is not working. So what we will do is we will just call https www.arsenm.dev. .dev / now what arsenm.dev /lure lure.sh. Then there is a space and then what is the further command? Bash. Okay, so you have to input bash. Command curl cannot be found but can be installed. Okay, so first I think you will have to install the curl command. Sudo apt will install the non snap curl. Install curl. I think in Debian it is installed by default, so we don't have to install it. When we want to use it, we can directly start using it. And now you will have to again give the curl command. Yes, so now it will install the Lure package. It's very easy. Everything is automatic. You need not do anything. we have done the installation of the Lure project repository on the system. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.